to create a new profile in Brave browser. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Brave browser. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines on top right corner of your screen and you'll find Add New Profile. Click on Add New Profile and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Add your profile picture. After selecting your profile picture, click on Done. Add your name and then the theme you want. After you're done, click on Done and your Brave browser new profile will be created. And this is how to create a new profile in Brave browser. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.